Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can customize your avatar using free items, accessories, and outfits in Roblox. So if you want to create a super cute free avatar in Roblox, you can just follow my steps here. So first open your Roblox and then find the free item games. So click on this search or magnifying glass icon at the top and use the keyword free items game. Hit on enter. And now you can just scroll down until you find these games right here. Sunsilk Hair Care Lab Tycoon. So click on that and then just join the game. Click on play button. Okay, so now once you are in the game, here you can just follow the arrow in here. Okay, just follow it like this, and here is your money. Okay, you can see there will be this money. Okay, you can just find it again. This one, greater. You can just tap like this and you'll get a badge. You can see I got badge again. Now you can just find another. So just explore and go. Don't forget to go to the ATM in here, and again find the item. So okay, it's still not available. You can just explore in here to find the money. Okay, so as you guys can see here, now I got $205. Again, it will pop up again just like this. You can just go back and forth like this. So just spend a lot of times in the game and go back to the ATM to get more money. So once you have enough money, you can just click on the Roblox icon at the top left corner and tap on leave. Okay, after that you can just click on avatar, tap on customize, and you can just equip all of the stuff that you got, like this one, for example. Can change the skin color and add other stuff if you want to. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.